You're good.
Yeah, what's up?
That guy in Discord just sent his it's an affiliate link. Did we tell him that he can't promote his code?
Yeah.
I just texted him. Yeah, it's a big no-go, buddy. Based off momentum here, I might look at this 5-minute, size it, and I'll size it accordingly.
Gotcha, dude. Yeah, I'm targeting 1-to-1, so I'm fine. But dang, that thing rips.
Oh yeah, holy crap! This is
I caught the very bottom on that.
This is heavy.
No. Dude, that was such a clean trade. It was
Was it the same 1 minute that Ryan took?
Yes, I would assume so.
Okay.
Yeah, it is.
Fire. No, that was super clean.
It was, yeah, I mean, dude.
I'm a little jealous.
Manipulation leg, 4-hour fair value gap. Already took out sell side. It was such a clean entry. It was like a perfect 1-to-1. Like, for that next high, I was in and out in like 40 seconds.
Momentum was so good there.
It was very good too, and it was V-shaped.
No way this 5 minute doesn't close.
Let's see if I
It didn't close. Alright, let me look at the 4. Damn, nothing.
I know, you should.
Dude, we dumped 1,500 points that last night.
I know we did.
Like,
It's
that's awesome.
I'm surprised, honestly, that dude, there's equal highs of I'm surprised we, honestly shot. I thought we were going to go back down after taking out, like, 19,100.
Yeah, I'm trying to look at, like, but I think the draw is higher. I'm trying to look at, like, a gap to tap into. Really isn't one, to be honest.
You take some time off.
Bro, yeah, I had to.
It feels good, not for a while.
Oh, dude, it's the best feeling. And just switching just to evals for now. I'm gonna start a series just on TikTok. I'm gonna be like, bro, I'm just gonna like document these 15. I'm document these TPT accounts just to payouts and just see.
See what you can do with it.
Yeah, because at that point, or if I'm documenting it.
Yeah, no, I see that idea. Oh yeah, dude. Yeah, it feels. Dude. There's a couple, because I was just gone. But there's a couple times I was looking at the charts. I was like, this is such a clean trade, and both times they worked out. But I was on my laptop, so I was like, I'm gonna be more pissed if I take it.
Yeah, no, 100%. I see the eagle highs you're talking about.
I think they're on the hourly too.
Yep, exactly.
Pretty clean.
8-4 on that news already happened. Yeah, I think the break was nice. Now I can just like focus and get back to the other stuff, you know.
100%. I know having a break is so needed.
Bro,
that's why
100%.
I just decided. I was like, all right, I need to take a little break again.
I like this AM high wick.
Fast.
How could I manage this? All right, if we inverse this gap to short, I could so take this retracement here.
What have you been up to?
Bro, I just saw like the spring schedule still.
Yeah.
School and football.
Mm-hmm.
Can't complain.
You still think you're gonna go overseas, or is that like finalized?
Like long term, still some stuff in the works. Short term, yeah. Like I know for sure I'm going back in like August or September, sorry. How is ES reacting here? But there's still some like logistics gotta work out to make anything like long term. So we'll see. Just trying to enjoy the moment.
Yeah.
I'm not gonna take this.
I'm trying to do.
Not react well.
Bro, I'm going so much this term. Going back to Vegas this weekend for a buddy's 21er.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm.
That's dangerous.
It is dangerous,
I love
but
it.
luckily I won. Dude, I won 2,000 in Vegas.
Dude, yeah, that was sick. I saw that.
That was so lucky. Dude, I couldn't believe it. Playing slots too.
That's beautiful.
That was my. Well, I was just playing blackjack and really
Alright.
the whole time.
I'm gonna look at this 30-second as a potential entry. If we get a good close here. We got delivery from a 5-minute gap. Or sorry, 1 minute.
Yeah. I like it.
We finally made it.
Are you live?
Yeah.
Okay, sure.
I couldn't get, dude, I need like one more monitor to get Discord going, so I just have you on my phone.
No, you're good. No worries. It's honestly probably easier anyways.
Yeah, probably.
Why is CapCut so difficult? Bro, all my like, I don't know what it is. I can't like my camera's not like working for some reason on CapCut, so I can't use it. I tried everything. I did not know this.
Order rejected.
Alright, I'm taking this 30 seconds if I could enter here.
Got you. Leave those equal highs.
Order filled.
Tap
There
it.
you go. Order block 2.
I'm gonna go half sized here. And then stop is if we lose this 2-minute gap.
Yeah, and it's a good trade. Your profile then says expired for 48 days. Full board. Got anything coming up? Maybe just like I said, just.
Bro, we're supposed to have some spring games, but we just have roster issues. Like, well, for example, one of our teammates went back home for, like, he went back to Brazil for break, and he didn't realize that his passport expired, so he couldn't come back. So we didn't have enough players for our spring game, so that got canceled. Yeah, it's just a series of unfortunate events, honestly.
Yeah, it sucks.
Yeah.
So I'm walking downstairs to fill up my water, so I'm gonna meet myself for a couple minutes.
Good. I'm gonna stop that at this 2-minute. Put a hard stop at 103.
What's up? What's JC up to? Oh, one sec.
Very good.
What's JC been up to? You know at all?
I think he's just like, I know he's still doing school.
Yeah.
I'm gonna close this real quick.
Order
I'll
filled.
close that. He's still in school. He's in Telesford, but I think he's back in Gainesville now. But
He called me the other day and I texted him. He's not responding since he got it.
think he's just chilling.
Let's see. New starts the turn today. Pretty get active. Dude, I was just looking at it, like, on that trade right there, I think what I'm going to start doing is if I have, like, more than 6 contracts in a trade and 1-to-1 hits, I'll let the, like, one ride. But, like, there, if I would have held one more contract, I would have made 30 or, like, 60 more bucks.
Really?
Just, like,
Dude, I did one thing the other day where I just, like, I was trailing it manually, and I was able to get, like, 8 more points out of the market as well. Like, I was, like, to where I just keep dragging it, like, really, really tight, and that, honestly, it was working pretty well.
Yeah. It was just tough, too, because you can't do that with both accounts, though.
Yeah.
I guess you can if you just press the exit on Trade, but it's just like the times it actually does go to that final TP, I feel like it's so much lower percentage. It's just like I'd rather take because like if I would have taken it off there, I would have made like, and it didn't run, I would have made like 150
Really?
Instead of 230. It's just like or 260. It's just like I'd rather just get out right away.
Yeah, but that shit does add up though.
It does add up, that's for sure. But I don't know. We'll see. I'm gonna probably like all of April. I said just do 1-to-1, and then we'll see where it goes from there.
Yeah.
So we'll start. Take it. We live.
We live.
Let's see if I can figure out what's wrong with my OBS. It is not. Oh, yeah, that's it. Never mind. I just figured it out instantly. Clearly, I wasn't trying very hard. Gosh darn it. Back to the grind. I do not want to go back to school.
Felt that.
Dude, I just grinded for like I was in the library. I had all my finals 2 weeks ago on Wednesday and Thursday. I was in our business school for 6 hours on Wednesday taking finals.
Dude, what's y'all's business school building like?
It's actually really nice.
Yeah? Do y'all have like is it like a stock exchange where they have like the prices, everything, or like around the banners and stuff?
No, I wish. That would be sick.
Bro, we have something like that at our school, and actually it's pretty neat.
Really?
Yeah, it's like a stock exchange.
That's dope. No, I would say probably a little less so, but your business school is probably the nicest building, just because of film night and everything.
Yeah.
But I gotta figure somebody on. Is your business school pretty good?
Oh yeah, the guy that's like head of everything now is an absolute animal.
Really?
This older Korean guy. He used to run a hedge fund, like $250 million. Did I tell you a story how he like had because all of the workers at the hedge fund for him, all his traders were his students? Did I tell you this?
No, you didn't.
So like the only people he hires are his students, and those are his traders. And he said that I thought I told you this. He tried to buy a Porsche, and it was like the start of Q1, and he said that one of his students. We were talking about order books, and he was like, why do you think when we go on an order book for like Tesla? He was like, Tesla's at $200, but why do you think you'll see orders at $2,000? And honestly, like no one knew. Like we don't know. And he was like, because of typos. He was like, what do you think happens when someone like says they want to buy Tesla for 2,000 instead of 200? He was like, that's a real thing. And it was like, we were like, damn, that's kind of fucked up. But hey, like, I guess that's a part of the game. And he said that he had a student that they had a typo on, I forgot which stock it was, but basically they put in an extra 0 or 2 zeros on the order, and he said that in funds like that, there's no such thing as like, oh, let's hope it reverses and get lucky. It was like, if you make a mistake, it's like a rule that you have to cut it instantly. And they said because of that, this girl lost like $250,000, like $300,000. He said that whenever that happens, whenever there's mistakes like that, the loss is split 3 ways. So they like split the loss. Like the loss is split between the trader, the hedge fund owner, like the one that runs the fund, and then the broker. It's split 3 ways. So he said his student had to cough up $100,000.
Bro, I can't even imagine.
Oh, dude, yeah, that'd be so shit.
Do you know how sick to your stomach you would be for so long?
It'd be disgusting.
Like, imagine looking back on the year and your P&L is like $150,000. You're like, damn, I had a great year.
I thought that shit was crazy.
Then, dude, that would suck.
Oh, yeah.
I guess it's a learn your lesson the hard way.
Oh yeah, for sure.
That sucks though. I would be absolutely so down bad.
It was a cool story though.
It was a cool story.
It was a cool story.
Shitty ending, but at least it wasn't more. Could you imagine losing like $2 million?
Yeah. Just call it quits at that point. Alright. I'm gonna take this. We're in this 5-minute gap now.
Is there anything good?
If we inverse this 5-minute, I would just take a short and momentum would carry us to a new low for the day.
I would agree, we're so bearish.
Yeah, so like that's a easy take. If we react out of this though, never know.
15 and rejected too. No, I have a professor, or I'm going to have a professor next year that is a huge finance guy, and he's worked in a couple different pretty big hedge funds and stuff like that. Like that's what he did for the longest time. Then he retired and got bored, so he started teaching. But
I swear that's what all these professors are. They're like they just get bored, they teach, but they like dude, they make so much money teaching though. It's crazy.
I know. And then but he like every one of his students, as long as they like reach out to him, apply themselves and stuff, he'll like pretty much get you a job right out of college.
That's sick.
Wherever you want, because like he's so well tied into the industry.
I was gonna say so well connected, probably.
That's why I'm probably trying to do that next year. With whatever that may be.
Yeah, that'd be fine.
Or at least look into it, because dude, that's just such a good connection. It's kind of a one of one chance. Like you gotta get on it right away.
100%. All right, we're about to tap equilibrium of this 5-minute gap.
It's not a deep horizon.
When's the last time you traded ES?
It's been, I would assume, over a year.
Yeah, same.
Yeah, that's what I used to do before trading ICT.
Yeah, literally. I remember I would touch NQ and it just freaked me out.
I remember you started trading it too, and I was like, holy shit, okay. I looked into it a little.
This 5-minute gap is holding up. And this 30-second provides a quick break even, so if I get some momentum here, I could seek a break even.
I like it. Low displacement.
Yeah.
Off the 5-minute gap too. 50%. Assuming 50% CE. started like the confirmation setup. So like when you we kind of had one this morning, but not really. But like we have a huge Judah swing, and then we pop back up and we fill the fair value gaps on like the 5 minute, and then on the 30-second you get a clean V shape, even if it's not like without any liquidity sweep or fair value gap, as long as there's just like an order block or something.
Mm-hmm.
Those are so clean, and they hit break even almost every time.
Yeah, that's the thing I've tried to pick up on a lot lately, is just like seeking break even setups just for protection.
Mm-hmm. Yeah. All right. It's so stress free too.
Yeah, that part.
Okay. It's the best part of it. 4 hours of class. Are you still doing all online?
Yes, sir.
So nice.
Yeah, I don't go in person until the fall.
Gotcha. You just don't have to, or what?
I just don't want to. Well, I have to in the fall for like certain classes, but.
Yeah.
Okay. Fire momentum there.
You take the 30-second.
No, I did get an entry.
Gotcha.
That was crazy quick.
It's almost quick.
Yeah, we were at my break even.
All the teachers are like contract negotiating for the last 2 months, and they all decided to go on strike this week.
That happened. That's happened a few times in Oregon, has it not?
Yeah.
Yeah, that because
it has.
well, I had a writing professor at my last school that she came from Oregon and was explaining the whole thing to us.
No, yeah. So we weren't supposed to have school this week,
Really?
the term, because they weren't negotiating with them. But apparently last night they finally caved. And so now they have school, but everyone got raises, but...
Damn, they folded.
Honestly, I know, but honestly, it's my dad made a good point. He's like, bro, everyone's paying tuition to go here. You have seniors that, they graduate after this year, have jobs lined up. You can't really mess around with that.
Yeah.
If we lose, 2 to 3 weeks of school and then everything gets pushed back, or, people can't graduate on time, that screws up everyone.
100%.
So, for me, it wouldn't have mattered, but if I was a senior...
Yeah, it would have cooked you.
Job, yeah, exactly. Did you end up getting in here?
No. They were at my break even.
Okay, that's what I figured.
It wasn't worth the 14 points.
Yeah, no, Oregon's weird. They always bitching about something.
What I am watching though is this 5 minute long still at 125. Delivery from. Oh fuck yeah.
50% CE, fair value gap, momentum. I just hate taking 5 minutes, but yeah, it's pretty clean.
Delivery from the 50% retracement of the day as well. From that swing high to swing low.
Yeah.
That's one. ES. Okay, ES is making a push for London High. This, I like this a lot. I'm seeing if there are other time frames I could get in at before. There's the 3 minute and a 2 minute that both look good. Alright, 2 minute just closed.
You in?
Not yet. Neither did our trace went. Momentum's so good. So good
No
here.
way, the London and Asia highs are the equal highs. That's pretty funny. I don't know if I've ever seen that. Yeah, I actually never got out of this trade. I've been holding it since low a day.
Need that retracement. A little too high for my liking right now. Look at the 15-minute chart.
You said 15?
Yeah, it's so crazy.
Yeah, that order block gets put in.
Damn, we're gonna run that high.
Holy clean. Are you in?
Nah.
No, it's good. Just retrace here real quick.
Mm-hmm.
Order rejected.
That's not what I wanted.
You what?
Click the wrong thing. 128.
Order rejected.
There we go. Okay.
So many these things. That's a lot of money.
Yeah, it's gonna run it. I feel like might miss this one.
Oh man. Are you gonna be on tomorrow there?
Oh yeah, for sure.
Alright, cool. I'm gonna probably get off just because I want to hit the gym, but let me know if you end up catching anything.
Sounds good.
Alright, sounds good. See you, dude.
See you, bro. Can we tap in here?
Order filled.
There we go. All right. we inverse this 30-second, I'd add like one contract. Don't like how ES couldn't rally above that high. So we'll see. I'm gonna put my stop in place at 0.56. I'll probably add one to this, just one micro. We can close back above that.
Order filled.
I'll add one more. Put my stop in there. wanted to add in that 1 minute, but it ran my break even before I could even add in. So I'm just still watching ES here. I'm waiting for ES. Looks like it's making that push for London high. 591 level. I just want these equal highs on big Q, and I can trail aggressively. Just see any points we're looking at here. Interesting. Play some music.
I want this to last forever. Let's
Alright, I'm gonna scale like 80% to equal highs. If we get up there. It's like 16775. Yeah. And I honestly, I'd add into this woman as well. Good delivery.
Order filled. Order filled.
Take some off there.
All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That'll be the best therapy for me. All the crazy shit I did tonight, those will be the best memories. I just wanna let it go for tonight. That'll be the best therapy for me.
Order rejected.
I'll leave that to break even. I'm actually looking at this 1 minute short as well. This looks good. I'm gonna go ahead and take this off. Unless it decides to come back up. Let's do this. Just in case, I would like to take off one partial.
Order rejected.
I would take one off there.
Stop filled.
Alright, cool. Break even on runners, up to like 200 on the day. I'm gonna watch this 1 minute short. Now we're gonna size it accordingly here, but this is shaping up nice. This short setup here. Got like one last trade of me today. We're up like $229 per account. Pretty sweet.
I cannot stand losing you. All these feelings intertwined. Oh, fighting the urge to reach out.
There's good momentum here.
And my stance remains unchanged, baby. I can't help it, I'm so into you.
I just think before we get a short set up, we're gonna run these highs on ES. I mean, I just don't know how we would make a push for it. Look in the hourly. See? I don't see why we would slow down though. That's good momentum. Alright, 30-second short is on. Or 1 minute short is on.
Swerving between emotions. I know we got real issues. Can't give in so easily. Whoa, whoa. Whoa, 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 whoa. Ain't going out with no fight. No. I'm just trying to play my part. Yeah.
Just missed it there.
I'm not ready to let go. Whoa, whoa. Oh, when you're ready, we can put this behind us. Maybe we can find us again. I know. Put this behind us. We can find us again. 'Cause I don't wanna go. I was alone in this world, and I needed people. I know my funeral gon' be lit. 'Cause how I treated people. I don't wanna go. I don't wanna.
Alright, I'll stick an order out. I'm gonna size really light here, just because, let me see.
Order rejected.
We'll go like 2 contracts. Don't want to get back any gains from the day, so I'll just size accordingly.
Order filled.
We spent like $80 in this trade, I think. Well, no, it's like 160. Just kidding.
Order rejected.
There we go. Remove our break even right here, actually. We'll like skill half go break even. Because at that point you're up like 24 points. No reason to scale. I hate this song. Might run our break even here. 1, 2, 1. I'll go break even now. Free trade. I'll take a partial at 107.
Christmas, Santa Claus give me the glizzy with the switch that. So some people never see this Christmas, and them my grasses, most of them not even Christians. Click bang, body sinking at the quicksand. See deck full of bomb like Afghanistan. And if you with me guy, come me know the enemy, them a play, and me know they not sorry for me. People are ball and a skin, can we bad than we mean, bloody crime scene, calamity. And so we shoot out, we and figure Canada G.
Probably a break even here.
Experience, no gravity. Violate people are dead dog. You should have keep in your bed cause the Taliban's them a make walk. When I laugh up, when I take talk. Badness are where we end us. When I like them need reassurance. Make you no sleep at your yard in a 4 months. And so we make people a more now. Like y'all get fucked down a whole house. Laugh bars full of care that me sure about. And if you see me travel with a 9X, and none of politician with me I go vote out. 4 kilo, 4 seat and 4 rounds. Them when the tea like
Stop filled.
the best boom boom they
Easy.
Kingston. So me buy a Birkin for Jada Kingdom. Some people vex on my phone get ring down. Me too rich now, so me buy 6 more. What's the plan?
Alright.
Cause I'm real to my skeleton.
Pause the
If you will
music.
insult my intelligence, then I make the sparks fly like a lucky.
Alright, so that's our 3 for the day. Let's recap them real quick. We went 1 loss, 1 win, 1 break even. Let's see this. Alright, hindsight. First one was long at... What was it? It was a 30-second long. Alright, so this one, idea was... I feel like it's going to be right in today, but let's just map this. I was targeting that AM high this whole time. Sorry. Test got graded. Whole time we're targeting these AM highs. Ideally, these equal highs are probably more realistic. So hindsight would have scaled more equal highs instead of leaving 200, maybe I leave 1 instead. Just a thought there. Next one was our long setup, which was a 2-minute, really good momentum out of here. And then we just kind of added accordingly. We just really added into this one. Let's see. I think a 3-minute would have been a better entry. Yeah. So could argue it was a 3-minute long. Yeah, pretty much was. And this is the one where we targeted the equal highs up here. So that was massive. That put us back in green on the day. Stop was close below this 3-minute gap. That's what I was watching the whole time. So this took time to hit, but we got all out pretty much there. We were targeting up here, but we took our partials right there, and we got break even on runners. So that was number 2. So at that point, we're up like 200 on the day, 226, and then we took this short right here, which was a break even. Right here. And this one we're targeting all the way. We're targeting this internal low here with a break even right there. And so yeah, that was the setup. So break even. Let me see. Okay, so we got a loss right here. So we lost like 44 points. Made 42, but one of my rules is first trade you always size in half size, so you don't go full size in first trade. So that's why this one puts back in the green on the day, and this one was a break even, so I think we lost like $3 because we paid commissions. So overall, solid session. Let me show you guys my P&L for proof real quick. Across our 5 accounts. You see that? Yeah, so. Actually, that's the first time it's actually worked, goodness. So that was positioned. I wonder if I can show my orders as well. Just like being transparent. That'd be a big screenshot because I have so many canceled orders today. But yeah, there's our P&L on the day. 226 across 5 accounts. These are our TPT. If you guys want to take daily payouts, use code QS. You can go to takeprofittrader.com and then check them out. They're really good. Just gotta make your buffer and you can pay yourself every day. So good stuff. And yeah, that'll be it for the day. I'll see you guys tomorrow.